everybody, welcome back to another video. Back out here with Chris. You guys haven't seen him in a long time. Tournament season is kicking off in about a minute, so there it is. Lines in 6:15. We got till 2:15. 13 teams today. Our season opener here in Nebraska. Don't know how it's gonna be, so come along with us and let's make something happen. But there also is a ton of...
I thought Elijah had a number.
He does, but it's huge.
Not using it.
Yeah, and we don't catch anything. Yeah. There we go. It's not bad.
Got it?
God, he's paper thin. Bored. Finally. He had it for about an hour. He was halfway back to the boat. How long? 13?
13.75.
Yeah, at least he's a longer one.
Maybe dead.
He's... Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, look at that. That's part of his fin.
Wait.
See, like right here. Wait, no, that's not part of his fin.
Yeah, it is.
Well, what about over here?
It's just
Oh
weird.
yeah, it's the spine. He's not healthy.
No. You didn't even put up a fight. Alright, can you hand the trolling motor for 1 second? I need to urinate. Well guys, a little update. It is currently 9:17. 3 hours ago we launched. And we finally just caught our first fish. It has been brutal. We got about 3.5 inches rain in the last week. The water is muddy half side of the lake and semi, probably like 1.5 foot dirty on the other side. It is supposed to get super windy today. It's starting to pick up now. We finally just got our first fish on a little Med rig. We've been throwing dirt shallow with a jig and a Net rig, and then we've been throwing either a square bill or a chatterbait as well. Pretty tough bite across the whole field. There's one person with a limit and another person right behind him, I believe. But there's a lot of anglers and teams that haven't submitted any fish so far. So still got 5 more hours to go, I believe. 10. Yep, 5 more hours. So stay tuned. Close though. I mean, doing better than most people.
Yeah, that we know of.
Yeah, well, I don't know. There's a lot of people that I've straight up have not caught anything. We only got one. It's terrible. Yeah, which is weird. You'd think they would have been, but I think it's just so they're shut off. It's chilly. We're at 56 now. Surface temp.
Look at that color difference right there.
Yep. There we go.
Hey, do you have one?
Yeah.
Good, I might have one too. I got a stick. Yep.
These look good. Hey, I'll take it.
That'll work.
That'll work.
I didn't have one, by the way. It was a stick. You're getting stick fish.
Look how I can't even get that hook out. I got him good.
Munched it.
Yeah.
The old finesse though, man.
Yeah. This is what I'm using. Little Med head skirt, turbo craw, little guy. There we go. Good one. Chris. Thumped it.
Faster.
Yeah. Yep, it's in this one. I'll take it. Hey, anchoring up sometimes helps out. Hook just fell out.
Really?
Yep. That's a nice looking fish. Cold fish.
This feels like we're going faster than 5, but it's only 4 or 5:02.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm right on 5, baby. Never be able to do that again. I'm about to open her up, see what this 9.9 does.
It isn't even a 9.9.
What is it?
It's an 8.
What was the reasoning behind that again? Didn't we ask somebody or somebody said something like that?
My uncle told me. It's like certain states, they don't allow motors on certain like bodies of water over 10.
Oh, okay.
So they made a 9.9.
Smart.
Yeah.
You think it'd be worth it going that way?
I mean, we already hit all of that though. We hit that twice,
like
didn't we?
Down in the grove.
No. It's so windy. I think maybe that's front of these rocks.
Oh, this offshore shit.
Which I'm probably gonna get this stuck.
Oh, largemouth stuck. You seen those pictures of like weird food and it's like you ain't from here if you ain't seen this. It's like cheese on hot dogs or something.
Yeah.
I wonder what a Nebraska one would be, but like
Ranch on pizza.
what?
Ranch on pizza.
Yeah. Or like yeah, that'd probably be it. Or ranch on corn.
That's front depth finder's about to die.
Oh yeah.
Look at it.
Wait, about to die?
See it twitching out? 8.2 volts going down.
It's going down, down.
Which, I mean, I don't really care if that one dies or not.
That's for sure fish.
Yep. Oh, nice. Just regular jig?
That's 12, right? Thank God, at least I can fucking contribute to something.
Ripped his face off.
I think kind of hooks that kind of hard, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I might. He's not closing his mouth at all. I think, oh, his fin stuck in his, there you go. His fin was stuck in his, see how it's forward?
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, hold him. Yeah, 13. Don't get some spikes in your hand. Mouth closed, things on the thing, we're good.
Good job, man.
So we got 4 now?
I was editing this video and realized like I completely spaced off like putting an outro in. Directing these tournaments afterwards, usually I'm like super busy checking people in, giving out prizes, going over the winner and all that. So I kind of just like spaced off of it. So overall, I'll just give you a quick rundown. It was one of the toughest tournaments we've probably ever fished, and one of the toughest bites at that particular lake. We got a ton of rain like the day or night before, and it was very cool. It got really windy that day as well, so the bite was pretty tough. We didn't catch our first fish for like 3 hours. First fish like 3 hours into the tournament, which is just insane. There was 5 or 6 teams that didn't place a fish, which is just crazy for that lake as well.
Usually everyone leaves with a limit. We got 4 fish for like 55 inches. 1 inch out of second place, they had like 56. We caught 3 8-inch bass right in the end, the last hour, and our minimum is 12 inches. So that was kind of like frustrating because it could have put us in possibly second or even first, just with 1 more fish. First place was like 74 inches, I believe. So overall, I mean, it was a fun one. It was our first tournament of the year, kicked it off. Our next one is this coming Saturday, and the weather's not looking great. Just a little rundown of what the fish are doing right now. The bite has picked up. Water temps are in the 70s in the evenings, upper 60s in the mornings, and bet males are cruising for beds. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Definitely going to be a lot more content coming. Just not pushing out a bunch. I'm quality over quantity this year. And yeah, the next video is going to be really awesome. Got on the first topwater bite of the year. And going to be doing some catfishing, more creek fishing. Weather's just been all up and down, and I've been just working. So until next time.